Hello, class. This is Professor Davis. We're going to take a look now at our week one feedback. Today is the last day of this weekend. Tomorrow starts your first day of week one. So looking at the introductions, we've had a great job on that. I'm still waiting for 3 students to sign into the class. So right now we're at 37 who are actively participating in the course. So great job with your peer responses and getting to know each other. And no peer responses could have been submitted after Thursday. If you submitted it after Thursday, your grade will reflect so with a 0 for your credit. And peer responses were due today. So you get a 0 for the introduction, but you can still receive credit for the peer responses. There are 3 peer responses required by midnight tonight for your peer responses. And most of you have completed the 3, but some of you only have 2. So make sure that you go back and provide that 3rd peer response. I will try to send an email to you before today is out so that you be mindful to go ahead and do that. Speaking of your discussions, which only require 2 peer responses, we have about 75% of the students who have already completed those, and your point system is as such. So the discussion itself is 3.5, and then your peer responses adds the other 1.5 points to that 5 total points. So looking here, you can see how you lose points as you post. And so Friday, if you post it on Friday instead of Thursday, you lost 35 points off of that discussion. And then Saturday, you will lose 70 points. Sunday, you will lose 1.500 of a point. And then if you posted it on Monday, then you receive a 0 credit. That's for the discussion itself. That's what you put on the board. And your pre-responses is due at midnight tonight. So that other 1.5 points, if you posted your peer responses tomorrow, then you lose 0.15 of a point. If you post it on Wednesday at a 20% loss, you're going to lose 0.30 of a point, and then Thursday you will lose 30%, which is going to take away 0.45 of your point. If you don't post your peer responses till Friday, then there will be no credit given to you. So for instance, say you post your discussion, you do it correctly, you have your 250 word count, you have everything but your peer responses done, then your grade's only going to reflect a 3.5. You will not have any credit given to you for the peer responses if they are not included and completed before this point reduction time period. Looking at your journals, which is also due at midnight tonight, which is day 7. Thank you for those who are early posters. So that was a good job there. I had about 9 people posted early, so that's good. If you have not posted it, you have till midnight tonight. If you post tomorrow, your points, because this is a 2-point assignment, then you're going to be, let's see, let's add this here, which is a total of 2 points. 2 points total. So at a 10%, you're going to lose 20 hundredths of that point, of those 2 points. That'll put you at a 180. And if you post it Wednesday, that takes you down to a 160. If you post it Thursday, it takes you down to a 140. That's if you have all the required information, then you would get credit, but you'll be at a loss for lateness. And if you post it on Friday, then I will have to enter a 0 for that grade. So go ahead and complete any activities you have left for this week. If you want to go ahead and move into week 2, please feel free to go ahead and do so. Look for your grades by the end of this week on Friday. I wish you the best in week 2. Thank you.